Is it Manny and me or Manny by me? That's my burning question of the day. It seems to me that it would make more sense that it would be Manny by me, since, you know, they give you everything that you need to make your own design yourself. So yeah. Anyway, that is my question of the day. So I have on my nails the blue that came in the box, and it's called Starfish. Very, very pretty hollow. Oh, it's a gorgeous hollow. So pretty, so pretty. And the brush, this brush came with it. I'm liking it because it's pretty thick. Not thick, I'm sorry. It's pretty stiff. Stiff is the word I'm looking for. So here is the first plate. Now, I really like this plate. I like the plate for the backgrounds. It's MXM008. And it's a really, really nice plate. You've got the seashells here, and I believe we're going to try to layer that particular design today. And look at the bubbles, are so cute. And these waves, oh my gosh, you know, you can, oh, so many possibilities with that. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, and so then this is the other plate. And it is MXM007. I like it. I like it. It's sort of like a buffet plate, you know. So I'm going to try to use the seaweed that's up there that I just pointed out to you. But there's so many things on this plate. So let's get to stamping here. I wanted to offset the blue, so I chose to use their green. They have a couple of greens here that I'm using, and yeah, liking them, liking the color. I used Ducky, in case I didn't tell you, and then I used, oh, what the heck was the name of that color? Empire Club. Very pretty colors, both of them. Now, it's very subtle, the difference in the two, but I didn't want it, you know, to be all one color. So yeah, that's the Ducky that we used. I got that in one of their, I think it was the Dinosaur Manny by Me box that I received. Very nice. It's just a sagey, a real light sagey green, I guess you'd say. So, and that was a pretty nice stamp there. I'll be cleaning that off. When I stamp, I let the weight of the stamper do the stamping for me. I don't push down, I don't push straight down or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up off camera for you. Look at what a nice base that is. Can you see that? I like it. So we're going to go ahead and stamp the seashell here in white. When I was first checking this out and trying to decide what I was going to do, I actually stamped it in pink. I was over the bottle, actually. And it was a little sheer. The pink was just a little sheer for me. So I decided to go ahead and stamp in white. Look at that, turned out really nice. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and stamp everything in white. And the shells, now, I'll tell you that when we get to it, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other nail. But the shells are really, really cool. You can use the solid one, or you can use the one with the fine lines. But guess what? They actually are like a layered plate. It's like a layered design. And I'll show you that here in a moment. I thought, I wanted to put a little bit of more pink also on those shells. So I did, and it turned out pretty nice. So I let my stamper do the work for me. I don't push down on it. I just let the weight of the stamper pick up the design, and I just guide it, in a roll. And it turned out pretty nice. I've never had any problems with these plates at all. Any of the Bundle Monster, the older plates, or the Maniology plates, they've all picked up really nice for me. Look at that. Oh, it looked nice. Yay. And you can tell it says seahorse. Oh my gosh. So I had decided to go ahead and try this as a layered plate, and it worked really, really well. It worked well. The pickup was nice. I picked up the fine lines were there, and when I stamped it, it just it just made the seashell pop. You know what I mean? You'll see here in a second. Look at that. Turned out really nice. I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other one. I did not have any problems picking up these fine lines either. I do have another stamper that I use. I think it's called Yours. That was gifted to me by It's Me Karen 99, and it picks up the fine lines wonderfully. But I didn't have any issues, so I did not even have to break that one out. But look at that. I like it. It just made the seashells pop. So I'm going to go ahead in here and pick up the seahorse in the pink. I think I said it was called seashell. Oh, look at that. Turned out nice. Now, because of the magnification on your stamper, when I was putting this on my nail over the white, you know, stamping over the white, you'll see here on this pinky specifically, it looked like it was going to be too small. But when I stamped it, it was right. Now I know it's the right size. Look at that. Pickup was great. I know it's the right size, but take a look at this. Look how tiny that looks. And then when you put it down, bam, it's the right size. So go figure, right? I also had purchased their No Smudge top coat, and it seemed to work fine for me. I did not have any smudging, or if I did, I didn't see it. And their cleanup brush worked great. It went in between my fat cuticles and my nail. So it worked really well. Anyway, I really liked this design. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to always be kind and be creative.